Everybody, Kyle here. Just want to give a quick update on the building progress. I know I haven't done anything in a while with the building, so I thought I would do that. I'll toss the drone up in the air, as well as show you what they've got done so far, and I'll also give y'all guys a glimpse of the property. So let's do that. All right, so it's super windy here in Texas, but here's what we have so far. The steel is all up, and they've done a lot of the sheet metal on the top of the roofs, and they started on the back. They got the back door, the back man door. They started on the trim around the edges. This will be a man door as well, but it's custom because I did add a bathroom over here where the French doors will be. So that took a little extra room. This is a stub out for electricity right here, stub for a toilet, stub for a sink, and then stub for a... Not sure why the video stopped, but... So that's about it. We have a lot of progress, but there's still a lot more to do. They haven't been out in a few days. Been a lot of rain here in North Texas. Of course, I'll have to take these trees out. These are those apple trees. I'm not sure what the proper name is, but they dropped those horse apples. Also, the steel fence is all complete. This is a temporary fence. Well, it's not temporary. It's temporarily leaned up and chained. I'll paint that black and get that attached. That's for the lean-to in case I ever need to get anything in here or out. This is what the lean-to looks like. It is 15 by 60. Eventually we'll have a pool back here. Carrie wants a pool, and this will be, you know, just for entertainment area, and we plan on having an outdoor kitchen at some point as well. All future projects. Let's see. But yeah, that's where we're at. Again, I'll throw the drone up, give you guys some footage. We've been battling rain here. It's supposed to rain again some more. Here's what this side looks like. Sorry for the wind. These are 16-foot ceilings, or walls, not ceilings. This right here is a 14 by 14 door opening, and this one is a 14 by 12 opening, and same at the other end. This side over here is for future RV. We'll see. That's the plan, or the dream, I guess. Got a little stub in here for that to drain it, so we will have to, of course, run that all the way to the septic, as well as all that. So I have a lot of work in here, a lot of projects I'll need to get done. Of course, they're not done yet. As you can see, this is still open. They still got some more work. They said they're going to come back out once this custom door gets delivered. So hopefully that happens this week. I don't know, we're supposed to be getting a lot of rain the rest of the week. But yeah, just a quick glimpse of my 40 by 60 shop. I haven't gave any updates about it lately, so I hope you like it. I like it. It's going to be a nice area. Put the tractor in here, the zero turn, which we haven't shown yet. Guess I need to get a video done of that to introduce it to the channel. All right, you guys, you take care. We'll see you on the next one. Also, make sure you subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and comment down below. Appreciate it very much. It helps us out a lot. Take care. Have a good day.